Today we're going to talk about GoAnimate.com. When you navigate to the website, you'll notice there is an option for schools, but this option requires you to pay and get membership basically. What we're going to look at is the free option, and so it is free for certain videos and certain things you want to do. And then if you want to do more than that, obviously you would have to pay for the professional version. And so when you go in at the top right, it says make a video. And this gives you options, make a video from scratch. There's some other options here for templates, but basically if you just go down and you can pick one of the setups that's on the screen here. And just if there are free ones available, it will let you into it. And so you can click next. And this one actually is a little more simplified even. You can pick, where the location is, where they are, and then these are the ones you would have to pay for. And so to have students go create things, they're pretty good about shopping around and picking out ones that are best for what they want. You can pick the animals, and so you have different choices here. And then you can also type in what you want to say. Okay, and then you can add, it says a max of 10 lines. So, the student could have a scenario going here where they have characters discussing a history lesson or anything per se. And then, of course, there's a preview button.
Hi.
How are you?
It's just that simple. You can save them and publish them. Now, I'm not sure if it lets you actually have them when you're on the free version. Let's see what it does. Okay, so once it publishes, it gives you some options. You have to upgrade for a lot of these. This one you can actually get an embed if you are a business subscriber. So it gives you some options to load them for the professional version. And then otherwise you can just use these, either show them to each other on the screen at that time, or if you have QuickTime, you could actually record it. If you're using it in education, I think that would be acceptable to do. So just check and see what your district thinks about that. Now this option for cartoon classics is set up a little differently than the last one that we looked at. This screen has options on the left for the scenery. There are tutorials, and so those are very helpful if you want to look at their tutorials. And then you can pick different scenes, and so you can pick your characters, and then you can drag them and put them where you want. And so the appearance of this one's just a little different. Options for recording your voice in this one. You can use text-to-speech even, so if students have prepared information, a script maybe the day before, they could copy that and use that to have the character talk. And then there also is an option to upload a file. And so just keep in mind that a lot of these options, it will depend on if it's the free version letting you do that. So keep in mind the free version may be limited, but there are still enough fun things here that students can create lessons using GoAnimate.com as a free option in education. I hope you enjoy it.